Hi, Chloe. Pansy. Pansy. And there's Pickles. Pickles just got a bath, huh, Pickles? And there's Bo. He came outside to play for a little bit, huh, Bo? And Huckleberry. I see that tail wagging. I see that tail wagging. Lona! 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 Cooper! Cooper! Hi, buddy. Are you still here? Are you still right here? Hmm? Pansy. Siggy! 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 And Chloe. There's our Ginger girl. You're sitting in the sun, Ginger. You're sitting in the sun. Huh? Cute, cute girl. Look at that face. Oh. Hi, Sigs. Hi, Sigs. I see you. And Chloe. Hi, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. Bobo. Hi, Bo, baby. And Pansy. Hardly. Come here, Hardly. Hardly. Are you in your little bed in there? Come here, Hardly. Come here, little buddy. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh, Siggy. Should we go this way? Hi, Nigel. Hi, Nige. Hi, Nige. And Rafi. Hi, Rafi. And there's Annie. Hi, Annie. Oh, yeah, you're cute. Look at you doing tricks. Doing some tricks. There's Bennett. Hi, Bennett boy. And Pickles. Hi, Nige. Bailey, you taking a nap, huh, buddy? There's Jake and Sam. Hi, you two. Hi, you two little cuties. Hi, you two little cuties. Yes, you are the cutest, huh? There's Georgie girl. Pixie. Hi, Pixie. And Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Okay, guys.